Hi, my name is Deniss Truhanovs. I'm Head of Innovation in MikroTik. In this demo, I will show you a quick setup of our newly announced LoRa gateway product, the NUT. So the NUT is our Cat-M IoT gateway that features Cat-M, Bluetooth and LoRa interfaces. I will not touch Bluetooth setup in this session and will focus only on Cat-M and LoRa setup. So why Cat-M and what is the advantage of that over LTE? So Cat-M is low cost, low bandwidth connectivity that was specially designed for IoT. Because Cat-M has less requirements for throughput, device manufacturers are able to use cheaper modems and telco operators has less expenses in running the network. This leads to cheaper devices and lower charges for the same amount of data. Let's look at 3GPP coverage map. As you can see, most of operators in Europe, US and Australia are already supporting Cat-M. So why I'm not mentioning narrowband? Well, our modem has narrowband support, but the latency is quite big and unpredictable. So it really depends on your operator network settings and network load at particular moment. This additional delay can lead to unreliable connection for getting LoRa join accept packets and downlink packets. So I suggest using only Cat-M for LoRa application. So let's start with the setup. So first of all, we have to insert Cat-M enabled nano SIM card into the SIM slot. Then you should add external antennas to Cat-M SMA and LoRa SMA. For this setup, I recommend using second Ethernet port, which is not protected by firewall input rules. This time, because there is no IP address on the Ethernet ports, I will use MikroTik Winbox tool and use MAC address for connecting. I will start Winbox, open Neighbors tab, find NOT, which is RB924, click on MAC address and connect with login admin and no password. So let's start with interfaces menu. Setting up Cat-M modem will be a bit different from LTE interface because it uses PPP interface, which stands for point-to-point protocol. By default is disabled and all the changes can be done only on disabled interface. Let's double click that. Here in this menu you can see APN address, which you should change to your Cat-M APN of your network operator. For my setup, my network operator doesn't require different APN address, so I leave this. So in order to check status of Cat-M modem, you should click Info button and click on Start. So here you can see modem, part number, network operator and signal strength. Alright, let's close that and enable the interface. Now let's check the ping. So you can see the ping is running. So let's proceed with the LoRa interface setup. Generally, it's the same as other MikroTik devices. So we just use predefined servers or add your own server. Then in the device menu, you just choose it from the drop-down menu here. Alright, and enable the interface. Then just check the traffic. So in this session we went through quick setup of Node, which is quite easy and straightforward. I also encourage you to visit our webpage where you can find more technical information on LoRa devices and list pricing. You can find list of MikroTik distributors in buy section. So thank you very much for your time and attention. Have a nice day.